Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Sugar Ray Sprays and I love to spray. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Blue Talisman extrait. I already have the other puff on, which is great, I love it. Gets nice sweet bergamot, orange, ginger in the beginning and pear, which is nice and sweet, with the amber fix that it just projects and leaves a nice sillage around you, nice and fresh. But I always wanted the extrait because I smelled the extrait before I bought the other perfume. But then I thought the price wise, I thought for the price of a 50ml of the extrait, I could buy 100ml of the other perfume. So that's why I bought the OG. But now I thought, yeah, let me go back to the extrait. So I ain't smelled this since November last year, but I did love it. I sprayed it on my skin and I couldn't stop smelling it. It left that a nice vanilla-y scent because it did have vanilla in it, which the OG doesn't have. But here it is. Finally got it. I've got the 50ml one. So we're gonna unbox this and just see if it smelled like I remember. Because over time, you know, your taste can, you know, change. It is hot as hell in the UK. I'm sweating. There it is. Blue Talisman extrait. The bottle. I do love the bottle. This is my 4th ex nihilo. So yeah, I remember this having the note of vanilla and sandalwood and I think it's jasmine, orange blossom. Yeah, vanilla sandalwood. And it has the pear and bergamot, but it doesn't have the ginger or the mandarin orange. But let's give this a go. Yeah, that's Blue Talisman, alright. So it's yeah, does smell stronger, like more dense, more smoother. You can smell that orange blossom coming through with the bergamot and the pear. Yeah, that's good. They say this is more for colder weather, but I'd say this is all year round. And they do say this is more masculine than the other one. They say the other one's feminine, but no, it's unisex, more masculine, I'd say. But a woman could wear it. The same with this, a woman could wear this as well. I'd say they're the same, like as in the same unisex, more masculine type, but a woman can pull it off. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, I look forward to trying this out on skin. Let's look at the notes. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see. Yeah, with extrait, you get pear, bergamot, orange blossom, jasmine, amberwood, amber fix, sandalwood, musk and vanilla. Yeah, it's good. But it's an extrait. I'd say you don't need to get 100ml. Just go with a 50ml rather than 100. But yeah, it doesn't make the OG redundant. If I had to choose between them both, on first impressions, I'd go with the OG, but I want some time with this. because yeah, this will definitely last a bit longer. Even though I have no problem with the performance of the OG. But yeah, yep, glad I got it in my collection. So yeah, if you want to give this a try, definitely give it a try. You won't be disappointed. And yeah, I look forward to wearing this out. But yeah, that's the end of that video. Coming soon, today I just got a fragrance that I've been trying to get for a long time, but it's been sold out. And that is by Memoirs of a Perfume Collector, Talisman. Finally got it. But the thing is, I've not been able to test it anywhere. It's just been sold out. So what am I done? Blind bought it. But something I always remember when I was a kid, like say if you go to the shops and like there's only one thing or something, or it's just sold out for ages. So if it's sold out, especially for a long time, that means it must be good. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, you know. But yeah, that review will be coming soon, as soon as I get it. But yeah, ex Nihilo, one of my favorite houses, Blue Talisman extrait, the parfum. Definitely worth a buy. At least put your nose to it. Yeah. But yeah, that'll do for this video. If you could like, comment, subscribe, that'd be great. And let me know what you're wearing. I want to know what you're wearing, you know, so you can put me on, you know. We're here to help each other. But yeah, just take care of yourself and look after yourself out there, because it's a crazy world. Sugar Ray Sprays out.